to your very first tutorial on how to create a website from your mobile phone. First of all, the first thing you need is to open your Play Store or any app store you are using. If you're not using Android, you can go to your app store, then search for the keyword quoda. You download your quoda, or if you don't want to download quoda, there are other apps you can use like Sublime, which these apps are text editor which you can use to design HTML and CSS websites on your mobile phone. Now, once you have quoda installed, I already have quoda installed on my mobile phone, so I'm going to open up my quoda. Now, as you can see, I have HTML document here already, which is already opened in my text editor. I'm going to delete all this. Basically, this is how a blank document should look like. So you have rooms to type whatever code you want to type, whether it is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and any other language. So the first thing we're going to do is create a simple HTML document. Now click on this three dots, come to File, click on New from Templates, then change your blank to XHTML, HTML5. Let's rename our file to index.html, index.html. And by default it changes the template to HTML5. So once you create it, it gives you some default templates, which is the doc type declaration, the HTML opening and closing tag, your head tag, your title, and the body tag. Don't worry if you don't know anything about these tags. In the next couple tutorials, we're going to be covering all these tags. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel.